Hello friends, Namaste friends. This is Navneet Misra from University of Hyderabad. So the most requested comments and the demands I found that how to clear HCU entrance exam in MA Political Science. So today we have Vikas Raj. He will be delivering a small lectures how to clear, what are the procedure, what are the faculties and how department works here about the political science. So I would like Vikas to first introduce himself.
Yeah, hi friends. So this is Vikas Raj, and I'm pursuing master in political science here. This time I'm going to complete. So I did my bachelor's from University of Delhi.
Great.
Friends, here political science in this university. It's a very vibrant department, and faculty, and it's I can say in most sense it's better than DU. When we see that the
In
student and
some aspects.
some aspects like a student and teacher ratio.
Teacher ratio.
So,
Okay, it's
yeah.
great.
And
Which
there-
professors? I mean, some of the professors whom you appreciate, the kind of professors here, which is very well renowned professors.
okay, so when we talk about the research area which is happening here in this department, political science, so the major themes like constitutionalism and Dalit politics in India, or Dalit politics majorly, tribal politics, or federalism, political thought thinking. So these are the basic premises where the professors are very expert here, and they'll guide you in utmost advance. So I have been benefited, and I'll tell you in the later phases. If you are thinking to work in this area, I must request you to please come here, because you have to see these things. If I talk about JNU, so JNU is more leaning towards Marxism. These are the
Yeah,
things
that's the
we
correct
see.
thing.
We usually don't think.
The
but we
reality
are the-
is
हाँ,
that
we are the-
only. Yeah.
So here in departments, professors are good. I mean, 2-3 professors are from abroad. They pursued their postdoc from outside,
Oh,
even
great.
abroad, or even their PhD from outside.
Wow,
So you will be
that's
benefited
nice.
by coming here. You have no regret at all after the end of the semester.
And
no?
and what I found, there is a, I think, heterogeneity in professor. I mean, from all corners of the country, not only from the Hyderabad or from local
Of
areas.
course, of course.
You will get professors from the South India,
all
North
parts
India.
of India, as well as roster system is good.
Wow, that's fine.
In place of a student's admission process, or be it in departments among
Yeah,
the faculties
that's
and
great,
staff.
that's great.
That's a good thing.
So, Mr. Vikas, if I am just pursuing BA or graduation from the political science, because most of the people from honors and some are from BA,
Of course.
includes political science, history, some of subjects. So, being a normal student, how one should start preparing for this exam? What are the criteria you will set, and what are the strategy you will follow accordingly? So, can you elaborate it? How
yeah,
shall
yeah.
one can start?
So friends, as it's up to my notice,
Yeah.
our entrance exams for Master Political Science is going to happen on 3rd of, in September, if I'm right.
Oh, so yeah.
So,
September
it's
first
September,
week.
coming September.
Date is announced, I think.
So you have at least 2 months and 1.5 months to
Yeah,
prepare.
yeah, 1.5.
Be assumed that you have been in political science, in a bachelor's, a good student, at least you know something.
Yes.
So you followed some of the books like Rajiv Bhargava and all. But I want to fragment these things. If you go back to the questions,
Yes.
which HU is following that pattern.
Past year.
Past 4-5 years,
4-5
they are
years.
following the pattern. So on that basis, I can tell you, just fragment the question paper in 6-7 parts.
6-7
I'm telling
parts.
you, elaborating it.
Yeah.
So one major benefit, those who coming from the urban areas or good universities,
English background,
English background,
Yeah.
most appropriately. So you have a great chance of cracking this 30 marks passage.
Passage.
Let me tell you that this whole 100 marks question is 1 marks each. 100 questions and 1 marks
So
each.
there is negative marking also.
Yeah, negative marking is 0.33%.
So 1/3 is negative marking, friends. 1/3 नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. एक नंबर, एक क्वेश्चन, 100 क्वेश्चन होंगे. और हम लोग आएंगे how to cut off and all. We will
So
look
first
into.
see the comprehension part.
First
They
is
are
comprehension.
taking these things because their teaching medium is completely English.
Okay.
So if
yeah,
you know
yeah.
little bit English, then you can survive in this department. For that, he is taking your comprehension, your analytical. So this 30 marks, this comprehension, having 5 passages, and each having 6 questions. So you have to attempt all the things. So you are benefited if you do the well. These passages are purely academic, current.
Academic.
very
Acha, Vikas,
contemporary,
if somebody follow like any good newspaper, Hindu, Times of India, the coming contemporary politics and all, be thorough with that.
They will do it
So will
well.
it be doable?
Of course, of course.
Yeah.
That's
So
why I
guys,
said it's
do
very
follow newspaper.
contemporary and very academic.
Academic and
So you
contemporary.
do not have to think much. Suppose something is happening in contemporary political scenario,
like even-
something is happening, so they will ask, they'll give
Maybe
the passage
state
frame the
center
passage.
relation,
Yeah,
IR,
mhm.
like that.
So they are 30 marks.
Hmm.
So now come to 70 marks. So 70 marks. So these 70 marks, we all know that if we are familiar with the political science syllabus and political science areas, there are many areas in between, sub areas you can say. So there are 6-7 areas basically. One is this political ideology and concepts.
So like,
So
if I am a normal
yeah,
student,
yeah, I'm telling.
uh,
Almost 10 questions they will ask all around these 7 portions. Suppose what are the major approaches and ideological approaches like Marxism,
Okay.
feminism, multiculturalism. These are the approaches. Same times, what are these theory portions? You can see what are the major concepts like justice, liberty.
yeah, even
What
who
they will-
invented this
Huh.
theory
What
particular?
what they will ask in these things? Sometimes they put the quotations. Who told these things about justice?
Yes, yes.
Some lines from their books.
Yes.
Who wrote Prince and something like that. So approaches, their propounders, and the concepts. Concept mean like they will ask the negative liberty, Isa Berlin negative liberty. What do you mean
Constitutionalism.
by that? Something
Like that.
These are the questions.
Keywords.
Huh. And second comes to comparative politics. There you have to know how the regimes are compared. What is parliamentary democracy?
Nice.
What is presidential form of government? What is electoral system? What is party systems and all? What are the work of David Stern, Valerie Stone? These are the system analysis. These are the things they expect you must know.
You must know.
Then come to the major portion cover. I mean, it will reach to more than 10 questions. Sometimes it happens.
10
And
to
all are not
15.
having same proportion.
Yeah.
But 10 to 15 they will ask from Western political thought.
Western
Like
political.
you must know. You have to remember the social contractualist work. That is Hobbes, Locke, and Rousseau. So Plato, their works. Generally, their works.
Just
They
basics,
are
I think, not in the details.
not details.
Just basics.
What books they written.
Yes.
What are the concepts they proposed, what they mean by some things, what they propose in their books. So these are the things. So Western political thought is very, very important. Now we come to international relations.
IR.
These times past 2
3
exams,
years.
past 2-3 exams, they are asking more questions of international relations. Like what are the theories in international relations?
Like idealism, realism.
Realism, new realisms.
Correct,
These are the
correct.
things. Who propounded it?
This.
What are the major debates happening?
Or some contemporary, like 1-2 years current affairs.
Of course. They will ask the events, major events like World War II and all.
Correct.
You must know the institutions like UN, United
Yeah,
Nations,
ILO, UN.
regional organizations. They will ask you ASEAN and all.
Wow.
You have to conceptualize it very. And what are the bilateral things happen in past 6 months or 1 year? And, these are the things they will expect you
One
know.
should know, even being a
course.
political science student, one should be thorough with the IR.
Same comes to public administration. So you must know the major theories, their proponents, and in that you have to know the terminologies. Like they will ask you given the term postcard,
Okay.
postcard, what are L.E. White's book's name, something like that they will ask. Then again, those who didn't study political science in their bachelor,
that is also the
but they
issue.
have one more advantage.
Yeah,
If they know something about the Indian polity.
Indian
If
polity.
you get my point, Indian polity means
Hmm,
major amendments,
Amendment.
appointment, how the appointments happening. These are the things. The same times they'll ask some Indian political theorists like Vivekanand, Nehru's work, their books.
Yeah,
These are the things. Sometimes they ask from Dharma Shastras and all. So these are the major fragments of political science, major areas they will ask. They will not go deeper.
Just basics.
They will focus on the match the following. When they ask the books and all, they will ask the like bullock cart capitalism. Who proposed in modern time? One advanced question, but they can ask.
Yeah.
So you know the theories, their books, their approaches, contemporary debates, and this includes all international relations. This includes your current affairs, match the following. The other things they are preparing in that sense.
So friends, these are the basic actually areas what we have just discussed. You might have observed. You please take a note and write all the head topics. These are the topics you have to follow. So in coming 2-3 minutes, we will discuss the books you have to follow and what are the significance of past year paper. because being an economics student, I am doing PhD in economics, and most of the paper I mean here based on the past year. I think the trend is set
Majorly,
past year.
in every university. you
Yeah,
can find
6
it.
to 7 years. I think you must do past year papers. What I found, no, I am not aware of other departments. From my department, even might be your department. So at least 3-4 questions directly there will be kind of copy paste.
It replicates it.
Yeah, it replicates. So at least 5 to 6 years, be thorough. Either you Google it, mug it up, just make a list.
Yes.
And what I observed, the things you told, I think student also can put some effort that you yourself make a list. I mean, you see the trend of paper.
Of course.
From which, I mean, if you are reading the Marxism, which kind of question originating? If you are reading Gandhism, which kind of things they are studying? Or matching Gandhism and Marxism, stateless society like this. So you also yourself make a trend. Past year paper will help people who have not studied political science very well, I think. And now coming to the just last two things. First thing is cutoff we will decide, and at the last Vikas will tell you the books. I think from apart from Lakshmikant and all this, even being a non-political science, I know only Lakshmikant and the passage you told. So guys, just Vikas will tell you the cutoff, because cutoff is also the worrying thing for the students. And then the book list. So Vikas, please carry on.
So generally, cutoff for general category goes to near around 70.
Near 70 guys.
If
Like,
you get 75 and
Yeah.
all, so you are the benchmark.
so
of
70
getting it.
plus is safe score for the general category.
For OBC, 65 and 60 or 62
60,
and 65.
60 plus.
You will get the admission. And for similarly to the AC, some little bit around 58 and something.
Yeah.
So if you get all around 70 and near about, so you are at the bench of getting into.
So
Now coming to the books,
Books,
I'm
yeah.
not praising any publications and
Yeah,
all, but
yeah.
I must tell you,
Just basics.
Previously, I told some students and they get benefited from that.
Okay.
So there is a book R Gupta. They're coming for the DU R Gupta.
D.U.R. Gupta. How people can get it from the market if
So
somebody wants?
it's available. It's available.
R.
in-
Gupta Political Science.
R
DU.
Gupta Political Science, MA Entrance Exam in Political
Yeah,
Science. They
just
will
that.
help you
Haan.
because the manner in which book is composed, no. So they included every topics and everything. So if you have very less time, if you want to do revise, you haven't read anything. Go thorough with that. Or if you have a good student in political science, you have studied all the things, then at least you do a revise the entire previous year 6-7 years
Questions paper,
You'll
7
get that question paper from the university website.
Yeah, I will give you
So,
guys in the description box. You can download it
So
from
these are
there.
the things, and just what I told you, follow that approach. It might help you.
So I think R. Gupta, previous year paper, basics if somebody wants Indian constitution from the non-political
New things
science.
coming. There are many tutors, online tutorials
Online
available
tutorial,
there.
YouTube.
So you can go with
Follow
them.
that.
Follow that. Watch it. Practice questions. This
So
is
any,
enough.
any last 2 words you would like to advise to our aspirants?
Of course, if you are wishing
Because
to,
last month is there.
if you aspire to do masters, so must go. It's very important. Higher intellectual exercise is very important.
Yeah, great. That's great.
So, I am that genre, so do come.
and
to
and,
the
and the
university.
most important thing is that Vikas is now ready to even join the PhD. I think it will help you even in the PhD.
Sure.
Same thing, because written weightage is
Little
here.
more effort is required.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
that
How
will
many
save-
seats for PhD this time?
This time in our university, 18 seats is there.
In
our
political
university.
science, 18 seats, and trust me, written exam is the key to get admission. If
everywhere.
you score written exam, I mean more marks, you will get here PhD. 30 marks, that is proposal. That is
So out of
basics.
70, this written exam.
Ah.
So if you have a command on research methodology and all, because it will cover 50% of your question paper out of 70. So put command on that. And
Yeah.
Everybody reads subject specific.
Yes,
so
correct.
Which is also
correct.
important.
Research methodology, extra is.
Prepare good proposals by seeing which faculty is there and all the things, and you'll have the great chance to come into the
So
university.
friends, actually this is the all from the Vikas side. So in 2 minutes I would like to summarize. मैं ये summarize करना चाहूँगा. Do past year at least 6-7 years. 2013 to 20 past years papers. That is the key. Do very good your graduations, just basics revise whatever, because we follow UGC and UGC has almost same syllabus across the country. 80-90% it matches.
Standard syllabus available
Yeah,
in
yeah.
universities also.
And do practice prases. Some of the prases you can practice, and last month follow some editorials, good editorials like Hindu, Times of India,
they will
and
help you in your
print.
comprehension.
Yeah, it will hand. And be little work. You should focus on English and grammar so that you can understand, being from non-English background, because some of the people have even English, Hindi in political science.
Of course.
That, so they can also crack this exam. It's not a big deal. You can crack it. And last word from my side, just 1 month. This is the last month. You can make it. Once you join the campus, you don't get only political science. here you get the kind of heterogeneity you will get here, the
Whole
cultural
exposure
pluralism
you will get,
you
yeah.
will get apart. Don't stick to the political science. Once you come here, you will get the political economics. You will meet some historians. You will explore the life. This is not the only political
Even you
science.
will go beyond your departments
that.
and you will get the chance to
Yes.
course from the different
Exactly,
departments.
exactly. That is the great thing you told. You are not supposed to stick to political science only, and you can. There is credit-based choice system. You can study economics, history, so many subjects. Even science subject
Last
is
year you
allowed.
will get the chance to
Yeah,
choose any
to
course
choose
from
any
other
course.
departments.
So do well, guys. In case you get any kind of doubt, Vikas is always there to help. I am always there to help. You can ask any kind of doubt anytime, 24/7 available, and be, very good in the past year paper. Please do it. Don't take it lightly. I am telling you again and again. At least 5 to 6 direct questions comes from past year paper. R. Gupta book from I think DU that you follow and revise the basics of graduation. Nobody can stop you. And even same applies for the PhD. I think written. Make it very good the written exam.
Including your research methodology and all.
So that's all. Thank you, Vikas. So he will be stay in touch. He is very good student. He is trying to get PhD in DU and JNU and SCU. So best of luck, Vikas. So stay tuned,
Best of
guys.
luck to
Thank
you
you,
all.
guys.
Thank
Okay, stay tuned and ask any kind of doubt there in the comment section. I will be giving my email ID also. You can ask there. Thank you, guys. Bye, guys.
भाउज नहीं कह रहा अभी